The $2.6 million 2026 Prevost Liberty Motorhome is a masterwork that transforms luxury travel. It boasts a powerful Volvo D13 engine with 500 horsepower and a smooth, comfortable ride, and it is built on the well-liked Prevost H3-45 chassis. It looks sleek and aerodynamic as well. This bus expertly combines exceptional engineering and design ideas to do more than simply get you from one place to another, bringing five-star living to the open road. With its distinctive, striking paint job and panoramic windows, it is a style statement and evidence that your journey can be just as spectacular as your destination. The cockpit looks less like a driver's seat and more like a command center once you're inside. The dashboard is a beautiful example of modern design, with a huge Crestron C3 CPU and upgraded Crosspoint controls from Liberty Coach. This technology gives the driver complete control over the coach's advanced entertainment and heating systems, navigation, and high-definition backup camera. The entire new arrangement is simple and easy to use, with the addition of a floating entryway and lighting steps that give the space a feeling of futuristic grandeur. The main living room is beautifully designed and lavishly furnished. The open, spacious floor designs of this coach's 3 S-Slide models are reminiscent of many opulent homes. The decor, which is a distinctive blend of colors and textures, frequently includes handcrafted cabinetry and premium leather seating. The integrated smart home system makes it easy to control your lights, blinds, and entertainment with button clicks or voice commands. While on vacation, this spacious apartment with opulent furnishings is perfect for entertaining, relaxing, and enjoying life's small joys. Your temporary sanctuary is ready for you. A comfortable king-sized bed is the main feature of the luxurious master bedroom. The handmade cabinets that round the walls will provide plenty space for your personal belongings and clothes. Integrated smart controls let you to manage the lights, music system, and blinds from the comfort of your bed. The spacious, peaceful, and quiet accommodations are perfect for sleeping and recharging for the remainder of your trip. Another characteristic of certain floor plans that provides guests with a half bath nearer to the main living area is a bath and a half arrangement. The sanctuary is the spa-like washroom. It features gorgeous high-end fixtures, a large glass-enclosed shower with a rainfall showerhead, and heated marble floors. The toilet is made of porcelain, and the countertops add to the kitchen's luxurious look. The bathroom's extensive storage and meticulous attention to detail, designed to provide the highest comfort and convenience, will make you feel as though you are in a 5-star hotel even though you are far from civilization. This is not your typical RV kitchenette. It's a gourmet kitchen suited for a professional chef. It features a full-size, residential-grade refrigerator and freezer, an induction cooktop, and a convection microwave oven. The gorgeous quartz structure of the countertops provides an elegant and durable surface for food preparation. Because the entire area is connected to the main living room and has ample drawers and storage space for all of your tools and materials, everyone can join in the conversation while cooking.